Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Cancer, for your daily energies and love energies. And I'll be giving the angels guidance message at last. See what is coming up. Eight of Wands. Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Knight of Swords, Temperance. With these cards, guys, I feel you're working towards something with great haste and in such hurry to reach your goal, and certain things are moving towards you at a very fast pace. This may be in your relationship or in your personal life, and you want to be non-judgmental about how things are happening and about your situation, guys, and you are trying to accommodate with the people and the situation. You're trying to adjust to your level best. Okay, so how things are going about, you're trying really hard, and you are facing your situation with courage and skill, and maybe there for few of you all, you feel things certain things happening in your life are just what to say, are baffling, and you though you work hard and you strive to make that balance in your life, sometimes you feel by the way the things are unfolding in your life, way situations are unfolding, so destiny is playing its part, guys. So that is the way you feel. So maybe this may be regarding this person, or whatever is happening in your life, you feel it is destined, how things are unfolding, and you are what to say, in some great hurry, or something is coming very quickly towards you, and you are stressed because of that. Maybe you have a timeline to decide on few things, and you feel things are happening in such a way that you have no control over them, guys. So what is the reason for this feeling, Cancer? Let us see with more cards why you're feeling that you have no control over your life, over your situation. So let us see what is coming up, Cancers. Whips, Clouds, what? Cancers, with these cards, I feel there are a few doubts in your mind regarding the situation. Maybe this may be because your person has certain kinds of habits, maybe some bad addictions, and they want to move in to a long committed relationship. They want to propose to you, they want to, or they want to get engaged or get married to you, and it is coming towards you in a fast pace, and you are very what to say, stressed because of that, guys. You do not want to do anything in haste. You want to think clearly before deciding, and so you are holding you want time to think and decide regarding the situation, or for some of you all, you may be making some kind of financial investments or legal agreements you may be signing. So you want time to think about your decisions clearly, because with doubts in mind you cannot think clearly, guys. So you just want time to think clearly in your situation, then decide, then to take up the first step. But this person wants to do everything in a hurry, so you're stressed. This may be your energy, guys, or this may be your person's energy towards this relationship. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. Cancer, let us see what the angels are guiding us today in the situation. You have no control, you feel you have no control over the situation. Things are unfolding at a fast pace, or maybe in your work or in your relationship. You want time to decide, but you don't have time, so you feel really stressed, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, Cancer. It's an angel card, guys. So the angels guidance for today: you have to have the resolution in your heart to be, what to say, non-judgmental, guys, unbiased about anyone or any situation. So in order to solve out your situation, you need to be you need to have the clarity in your thought. Your actions should be based on the harmony and what to say, harmony of your being. So you should not be biased over certain decisions. You should be able to see the truth in your situation, then take the right course of action, guys. You need to be really fair in any kind of situation you're facing, or any person you're facing. Okay, you should be concerned to do it with justice, guys. So when you do that, you will be able to understand your situation, and you will be able to find the true solution for your problems, guys, Cancers. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do today, Cancer. So in your situation, maybe some things are forcing you towards your marriage, engagement, or some kind of a movement in your life, maybe moving to a different place, or some kind of great emotional changes may be coming towards you, coming inside you. Okay, so you need to you feel you have no control over certain things, and you feel really stressed. But it is a time for you to understand your situation clearly, guys, and accept the changes, because everything changes in the world, guys, and changes are always there in our life. It helps us to grow emotionally and spiritually. So when you accept this change with an open heart, open mind, it will be very much better for you. So that is the reading for today, Cancer. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.